Multiply 7/12ths times 4/9. When multiplying two fractions, multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. So 7 times 4 is 28. 12 times 9 is 108. Now looking at these numbers, I feel that I can divide the top and the bottom by 2 in order to simplify because they're both even. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to divide 26 by 2 and 108 by 2 because they're both even numbers. 28 divided by 2 is 14. 108 divided by 2 is 54. Now take a look at what we have. They're still both even, so I can keep simplifying this fraction. I can still divide the numerator and the denominator by 2, so let's do that. 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 54 divided by 2 is 27. Now looking at these numbers, I can't simplify anymore, so my final answer is going to be 7 over 27.